Braised pork is a very delicious dish, another popular home-cooked dish, but many people can't do it well. Today, the chef teaches you a very simple home-cooked recipe. Looks bright red. It tastes fat but not
Drink
greasy.
and eat.
Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. Pork is very cheap these days. 3 layers of top 5 flowers like
Only
this. 10 yuan a斤. I bought 20 bucks here. Don't buy the raw meat when you buy it. There is also a kind of pork belly that is easy to break
This
when
3
made.
layer 5
It
flour.
is the best choice to make braised pork. We first put the pork belly skin down into the pot. Perm the skin. It can remove the fishy smell. It can also remove residual pig hair. After it's scalded, we put it in water. Wash the pork belly with your hands first. Wash away dust and impurities from the surface. Next, find a smaller knife. Scrape it on the pig skin. Remove all the dirt from the pig skin. Shave it clean. After all washed, then put it in clean water. Simply clean it again. Control the water after washing it. Take it out and put it on the cutting board. Then start to rack knife it. To make braised pork cubes, you must change them to be bigger. It tastes delicious. After all the knives are changed, put it in a larger bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a piece of ginger. Let's slice it up first. Prepare another scallion knot. Pour a little more water into the pot. Then put the cut pork belly in a pot with cold water. Put in the spring onion festival, sliced ginger. Add some cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Blanch the meat in a pot with cold water. Slowly boil out the blood inside. The foam floating up is blood and fishy smell. Main sauce. We use spoons, skim all the foam that floats up. Then use the colander, remove the blanched pork belly from the water. Put it in warm water prepared in advance. Blanched pork belly must be washed with warm water. This way there will be no thermal expansion and
Makes
contraction.
pork belly
harder to eat. Only use warm water. Only then can the dirty things on the surface of pork belly be removed. After washing, remove it under water control. Set aside in a larger bowl. Next, we prepare some ingredients. A hunk of ginger, cut it into slices. Prepare another onion festival. A small handful of dried peppers. A small piece of cinnamon. Add a few more fragrant leaves. 2 star anise. A handful of prickly ash. Do not put oil in the pork belly. Turn on medium-low heat and stir-fry the pork belly. Why is the pork belly some people make not fragrant and it tastes greasy? In fact, this step is crucial. We first fry the excess water on the surface of the pork belly to dry. Then continue to stir-fry. Put the excess fat in the pork belly. Stir-fry it. Finally, fry until the surface of the pork belly is slightly yellow and put it in a bowl for later use. In this way, the fried pork belly will taste more fragrant. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. Add a spoonful of rock sugar. Is pork belly good? Sugar color is very important. Only pork belly fried with sugar color. The color will look more reddish. We cook slowly. Fry rock sugar until melted. Don't let the fire get too big. After the rock sugar is fried, it will start to slowly turn yellow. When it turns brown like this, it's in the state of drying. Be sure to remember here. Make braised pork. The sugar color cannot be fried too old. Wait until the sugar color starts to bubble. Hurry up and put the pork belly in the pot. Continue to stir fry this on low heat. The fried pork belly will not be bitter. We fried pork belly this golden brown. That's it. Add all the spices at this time. Then continue to stir fry a few times. Just fry out the fragrance of the spices. After frying, pour another can into it. The leftover beer my sister-in-law drank last night. Not enough beer, add some water. The amount of water can exceed the pork belly. Let's not add water halfway through. Next, add a spoonful of oyster sauce. Add a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve the color. You can also add some light soy sauce to freshen up. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Bring to a boil, cover the pot and simmer for 30分钟右次. We open the lid when it's about time. There's not much soup left at this point. We use chopsticks to pick out the spices inside first, because the aroma inside has been fully released. Then we continue to turn on medium heat to collect the juice. If you like to eat soft and rotten, you can simmer it for a while longer. Friends who like to eat a little chewy can come out of the pot. Such a pot of stewed pork belly. No nutrients are lost at all. And the color is bright red. Looks like an appetite. A very simple and delicious home-cooked braised pork. It's ready to go. And finally, a sprinkle of scallions. Every time a guest comes to such a plate of braised pork, after eating, the whole family will praise you as a chef. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like it, leave a message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.